Hi guys, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach car rental system part 2 tutorial. Last class we saw add the records into the database. In this class I am going to view the record from the database to data table. So let's do the things. So let's go to the project. Here this is the things, this is the our form design. So below the form design I have created another div for here. Here I am going to design the table here, right. So what I am going to do is here, I am going to write here is simply here, right, div class panel body, right, panel body. Right, here we have to write table id car tbl car, you have to write car, right, you have to write like this. Class, here you have to write class table, you have to write responsive table border, right. Here we have to write after that cell padding 0. After that we have to write width 100%, right. After that we have to write here is, right, write here this one. After that we have to write thing is, here we have to write table tr, table here, right, columns you have to write th, how many columns we needed. Here we need car registration. Here the car registration, make, model and available, and we have 2 extra button, edit and delete. So we need 6 columns. So we need 6 columns, 2 3 4 5 6 columns, right. This is the thing we have to do. After that what I am going to do is, here we have already written the jQuery part here. Now what I am going to do is, go to the Google, I am going to do another stuff is a data table. You have to copy from the data table JS and CS file, right. Here this is the, if you go through the data table .NET website, this is the CSS. You just copy the one, Control C to copy back to your project. Here you have to write here link rel style sheet, you have to write href, you have to paste that, right. That's the thing you have to write. Second one you have to write here same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Here we have to paste this one as well, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here, right. That's the thing we have to write. Control S to save. Now let's do the task, right. Now here I am going to view the records from the database. So you have to write here, you have to write another function, you have to write another function. This one should be, I am going to write as get all. Here we have to write the table name here properly. What's the table name I am going to give? This is a table name, right, tbl car, Control C to copy. Now you have to write here, first you have to write tbl car dot data table, you have to write dot destroy, fn destroy, right. You have to write like this, say all, right. Now after that what I am going to do is, here you have to write, after that you have to write the Ajax code, right. So you have to write Ajax code is simply the same Ajax code you have to write. copy from here. This adjective started here, close position is this. Control C to copy, Control V to paste below. Here I no need this one. Inside the success function we have to remove the stuff. Here we have to write the stuff is the here the same. Here we have to give the URL and everything. URL I am going to give here. Simply we have to we have to give the URL here, php / all car.php. Right here, get this one should be the URL. Sorry, this is a URL. Control this one should be the URL. Control X to cut off. Control V to paste here. Type is a get type. So getting the data JSON. Here we no need this one. Right, that's the thing we have to write. Okay. Now what I am going to do is here. We have to go and create the car.php page. This one we have to create it, right? So what I am going to do is here. Now I am going to go to create the page called car.php page. So I am going to select the php folder, right click, new file. Here I have to create all car.php. Right. Now here what I am going to do is here I am going to create the php same connection. I am going to go to car. Now I am going to add the database connection. So back to add car.php. Here already I written the connection part here. So Control C to copy this one. Back to all car.php here. Paste it here. After that you have to write the statement. So you have to write statement variable tmt equal. You have to connection prepared. Here we have to write the select statement. So here we have to back to our database. This is the tables, right? These are the columns I am going to load. Car number, make, model, and this is all the stuff I am going to load. So what I am going to do is you have to write here car select. You have to write select. First one should be the ID, comma, car number, comma, name. Sorry, car number. After that, what is the thing? Car number, make, model, car number, make, model, and AVA. These are things available from which table? Car reg table. Order by. We have to write this ID. Control C to copy, Control V to paste. Car registration ID, right? This is the primary key. Descending order. We have to write like this. Okay, write like this. Okay. First you have to check the query first whether it's working fine or not. Control C to copy. Back to SQL here. Select SQL. You have to put it here. Right. This is wrong. We have error in the manual DBs, the ID descending right here. So order by ID. So problem is I think order by ID. Now it's okay. Problem is okay. Right here it's okay. Now the problem is okay. Okay. That's the problem. Yes, right. Okay. Order by, right? Order by, right? Okay. You have to clear the query first. Okay. After that, what I am going to see, you have to write statement. Control C copy, Control V paste here. You have to write bind result here. Bind result. And we have to write here the same thing. You have to copy. Control C to copy. Control V to paste here. This also may make as a variables, right? This you have to load all the data and set the variable bind result. After that, what I am going to do, you have to write if statement execute. You have to write execute. You have to write here while loop. Inside the while loop, you have to while. You have to write statement execute. You have to write here. You have to write output, you have to write output array, so right you have to set the fields, right? So you have to write here, simply you have to set the fields, right? First you have to get this one, id, you have to get the id, you have to write as a, this one should be the this id, so this id, this is the key, this is the values, this value, right? This is the key, this is goes to the back to the car, this car registration field. This is the key, this is the values, right? These are the values, right? Load and set the values, right? Value key, right? This is the format of JSON format. So after that you have to write the same thing, you have to set it the remaining stuff as well. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here, paste here, paste here, paste here, right? Now here we have to set this one, car number, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here, this car number, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. After that make, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here, this one should be the make. After that model, Control C to copy, Control V to paste, sorry, this one, paste here, model. There's a problem here, wait, this one you have to change it as comma, so write the same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Here also model, make, car registration, car number, make, this one should be the model. After that available, so this one Control C to copy, Control V to paste here, sorry, same thing, get the copy, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here, this one paste it here. That's the thing you have to do, right? That is the thing you have to do. Now you have to set the field, right? Okay, that's the thing you have to do, right? Now what I am going to do, you have to send here, so you have to write here echo JSON encode, you have to set this output, right? After that you have to write statement dot close, right? This is the thing we have to do, right? Now let's back to car registration here. Inside the success function we have to retrieve the values, right? So first you have to write $, we have to write this one, car tbl car, Control C to copy, Control V to paste tbl car dot html data. After that we have to write tbl car, this one dot data table, you have to write here data table, you have to write close curly bracket, you have to write, now you have to write data table. Now here you have to write, here is you have to write pass three things. First one data, coming this data, what's the data coming, you have to pass it here data, right, comma. After that you have to write a squirrel x, true, comma, write AO1 columns, right. Here you have to set it here, right. You have to set it here, right. Now you have to set these things is what are the columns you have to set here, right? So you have to write the title, this first one should be the title, first one should be the title, this title, this one should be the first one should be the this ID field, so ID comma data, comma mdata, here you have to write here this is id. Same thing you have to control C to copy, control V to paste below, paste below, paste below. This one should be, second one should be the this one, car number. Car number. This one should be the car number. So car number, right? This heading I am going to write car number. Car number. This heading title car number. This is the ID. This is the main ID. After that we have to write this thing is a make. It's a make. This one should be the model. Right, that's the thing we have to do. After that we have to write model. After that available, control C copy, control V to paste it, is available. AB available, right? What is the name you have given here? That's it. After that you have to write this thing is, we have to write the edit and delete button. So you have to write here simply you have to write the same thing, title mdata, the same thing, control C to copy, control V to paste it. This one should be the edit button, this one should be the number ID, this ID. You get the primary key ID. So you have to pass another stuff is a render. The render, right? This is stuff we have to do. Render, we have to write a function. You have to write a function here, right? Function. You have to put these types: mdata, comma type, comma row, comma meta. So we have to write return, so write button, class equal btn success. Now the one click equal to the get details. This is the function you have to create for the edit data. So we have to pass the things in here, single quotation, plus plus. Inside here we have to pass this value, this mdata. Control C to copy, control V to paste here. For this we have to edit the things. So you have to write after that you have to write here edit, right here edit button. This is stuff you have to do, right? Now the same thing you have to do here, comma, control C to copy, control V to paste. This one should be the delete. Now here you have to write the delete function, get delete. This one should be the delete. Control C to copy, control V to paste here, delete. This is the thing we have to write. It's a very simple one. We have to write the things, right? Very simple one. You have to come. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Now let's check. Save all. Go to the browser, refresh it. Here it's the data table is not loading. Now let's back to our code. We check. Here what I am going to do is here. What's the problem? Let's go to the all car.php. Here the first problem is this. We have to remove it. We have to add the ID twice. Here another problem, this one should be not execute fetch. That is the problem, right? That is the only problem we have, right? Now let's check here. you have to write here console dot log. You have to check through the console whether the data is coming or not, right? Okay, this is the testing part. So right now let's check. I hope everything fine. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. The problem is that, so let's go here, refresh it. Here it's working, it's loading successfully. Now here this button, we have to change this one as a, this one also not success. We have to change this one as a delete danger. Delete the data danger. You have to make it as danger. Save all. Now let's refresh it. Here it's right. Okay. Now the layer loading things successfully. In my next tutorial, I will be teaching the edit and delete part. Right. Thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.